In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Canva email design into Klaviyo, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner looking to streamline your email marketing strategy, this guide will provide you with the essentials to get your stunning Canva designs right into Klaviyo without any hiccups. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to start with designing your email in Canva. Canva offers a wide range of email templates to choose from, so you can easily select one that aligns with the aesthetic of your brand. Alternatively, if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can create a completely custom design. Take your time to tweak every detail to perfection, because the visual appeal is crucial in capturing your audience's attention. Once your design is ready, we move on to step 2, which takes us to Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you're a newcomer, you'll find the platform is intuitively laid out, making navigation quite straightforward. From the dashboard, simply look over to the left menu and click on the Campaigns tab. This page is your launching pad for any email marketing initiative you will undertake with Klaviyo. When you're there, hit the Create Campaign button. Now you may either opt for a pre-made template in Klaviyo or start with a blank slate. If you choose the latter, you're allowing complete customization, which can be beneficial for ensuring your email looks exactly as intended. Now that the groundwork is laid, let's move to the essential step, importing your design from Canva into Klaviyo. Transitioning from Canva to Klaviyo is easy. Within the Klaviyo email editor, locate the image block. You'll need to drag and drop this block into your email layout. This step is pivotal in setting the stage for your Canva design to feature prominently in your email. Click on the image block and you'll find an option to upload an image. Select the file you exported from Canva. Remember, it's all about ensuring the format is compatible and ready for upload. Once your image is uploaded, you have the freedom to resize and position it as desired within your email framework. This is an opportunity to play around until it sits just right and enhances the email's overall design. Precision in sizing and placement will ensure your graphics look crisp and professional. Finally, don't skip the preview. Whether it's a quick double check or a thorough inspection, preview your email to ensure everything appears as you envisioned. A glance at this stage can save you from errors that could impact how your message is received by your audience. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, Canva designed email ready to be sent out from Klaviyo. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you work with these tools, the quicker and more efficient you'll become.